Let's see what we can find. Usually you can't find pretty good seats for less than $1,500, so I think it was worth the drive for $1,100. All right, Matthew, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get this done. Let's go. All right, and the back seats are done. Looks so good. I love how it looks. Even goes with the tan, kind of. But eventually, I'm hoping to change this to gray, newer dash. And that's what it looks like. And the kids are gonna love the cup holders. They're gonna sit here and there and little area to play with over here. So that's gonna be perfect for the kids. And I love the seats because they go up. So I can actually load stuff over here if I need something bigger. And this one goes up, that one goes up the same way. And also, the back part goes down. So you can store some stuff right here, and that's gonna be pretty cool too. So yummy. Okay, put it in the cup holder. Ta-dam. So you guys like the new seats? They're not so dirty and they're not so smelly. You can nap like that.
Put a pillow there. Sometimes the log trips.
Yeah, you can put a pillow there, or you can put our cat there with a pillow.
If we have to take her somewhere like your way.
Yeah, we can put a pillow here. She can flop there. Bow. We can put the cat in there.
No.
I think she'll actually like it in there. Because she likes tight spaces. She likes to hide underneath our bed, so that's going to be like perfect for her. It's like a little home for cats.
More like rats.
No, I already cleaned up all the rats and all the poop and all the dog stuff. Do you give it 5 thumbs up, or what do you give it? 5 cookies? 5 candies? 1 thumb? Only 1 star? Is that the best star review? Oh, okay, you give it that, okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And that concludes the interior seats and carpet swap. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.